Watch out. Keep Remy short. Is er een kraan hoor? Oh my goodness. Look at this.
He probably had nothing to do anyway.
Think so. He's a naughty dog, hè? You cannot say that we didn't try anything. Look, the chair is up there. We cannot eat inside because our chair is up there. The car is up there. And he's still there. Right. And he's beautiful, so he has to be... Yeah, so what it is when he gets out, he cannot touch the ground because if he wants, he doesn't come back. We just lived here. He escaped.
Do we need to put the car away?
Yeah, we might be able to get some maps out if we move it. That's great.
So sister, do what you need to do. Yvonne? Yvonne? Achteruit, achteruit. Vooruit zijn de banden lek. Achteruit. Ja. There you go. Nice. Gloria. You know, ga achterwaarts, hè.
Maybe go forward. Can you go
Nee,
forward?
nee, 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 forward. Je band zit op de... Je band draaien. Andere kant op. Andere kant op. There you go. Nou die kant op draaien. Ja, ja, go on. There you are. Good job. Sorry people.